Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in math class. We were discussing about the cube roots and the square roots, and today we'll discuss about the estimating square roots and cube roots. How we can just go for the estimation of the square roots and cube roots with the help of this table. As in the tables, columns are given here. First column is of x, the values of x that are 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Next is root x. Root x means square root of x. Third is cube root of x, and the fourth column is cube root of 10x. So here as a first value, that is x. What will be the value of as 1? X value 1. Root 1. Root 1 value is 1. Cube root of 1 will be also 1. And 10 multiply 1. So that is cube root of 10. What will be the value of cube root 10? That will be 2.154. As you want to find out the square root of 20, then you have to see the first column value of x 20. In front of that, the value of will be of square root of 20, that is 4.472. And if you have to find out the cube root of 20, then you have to see the third column, that will be 2.714. and if you have to go for finding the cube root of 200, then value will be 5.848, because 200 can be written as 10 multiply 20. So it is cube root of 10x. Like this, students, you can just go for finding the cube root, estimation cube root and estimation square root of any particular number. So now we'll discuss about the questions as given in the exercise. So first of all, question is 27. We have to find out the square root of 27. In 27, the value of x is 27. Value कितनी है 27, and you have to see from the table 27. In front of that, the number against 27 under the column of root x. root x वाले कॉलम में देखना है आपने. 27 के सामने वैल्यू कौन सी है? 5.196. So therefore root 27 is equals to 5.196, and root 27 answer will be, as there is 3 digit, but we have to find out up to correct 2 decimal places. If 2 decimal places, then we have to round off the digit, as third digit is 6, which is more than 5. More than 5, then we have to add 1 in the next number, that is 9. 9 में 1 add करोगे 0, and again that 1 will be carried here. It will be 5.20. Up to how many places? Correct 2 decimal places. Similarly, another question, that is 15.69. Find the estimate square root of 15.69. It is a little bit different. How it will be? I can write down it as root of 15 plus 69, 0.69. I have break down this number as root 15 is different and root 0.69 is different. In such cases, what we have to do, we have to find out the approximate difference, because this number is lies between 15 and 16. This is 15.69. This means more than 15 and less than 16. So we have to find out difference in the square root of 15 and 16 by using table. As root 15 value which is given in the table, that is 3.873, and the root 16 value which is given in the table, that is 4. Then next, what you have to do? Difference for 1. What will be the difference of 15 and 16? That will be 1. And the values of square root difference is 4 minus 3.873. Root 16 minus root 15. That difference is 0.127. तो 1 का डिफरेंस कितना आया आपके पास है? 0.127. And if difference for 1 is 0.127, and in the question value is 0.69, so difference for 0.69 will be 0.69 multiply difference of 1. जो 1 का difference आया है उससे multiply करोगे. 0.69 multiply it with 0.127, you will get 0.08763. So now we have to, this is the difference of 0.69, and we have to find out the square root of 15.69. So add the root of 15 value plus root of 0.69. So root of 15 value 3.873 plus root of 0.69, that is 0.08763. So after addition you will get 3.96063. But we have to find out up to 2 correct decimal places, then round off it, you will get 3.96 only. As we have talked about estimation the square root, similarly same method we have to follow for the estimate the cube roots. Cube roots को estimate करना है अगर, then also same method will be followed, but the column will be different from the table. Table में से जो column होगा cube root वाला जो है वो हम देखेंगे. So first is a 130. 130 का आपने क्या find करना है? Cube root. Cube root of 130, and we know that can be written as a multiple of 10. This means we have to see the multiple of 10 column from the table. So it can be written as 13 multiply 10. This is means in this form, this is a cube root of 10x. 10x where x is equals to 13. Then the number again is 13 under the column cube root 10x is, we have to see from the table cube root of 10x. 10x means from here x value will be 13. तो 13 के बिल्कुल सामने आपने देखना है थर्ड फोर्थ कॉलम में आपका आंसर क्या है 5.066. So it will be the value of cube root of 130. So cube root of 130 is equals to 5.066. But we have to give answer up to 2 correct decimal places, then round off the digits, then you will get 5.07. Similarly next, that is 2.69. We have to find out cube root of 2.69. Same method we have to follow as we have done in the square root. It can be written as cube root of 2 plus cube root of 0.69. अब आपने cube root of 2 की वैल्यू देखनी है टेबल में. In such cases we will find the approximate difference between the cube roots of 2 and the cube roots of 3 by using table. Table use करोगे because this number is lies between 2 and 3. 2.69 है, कौन से नंबर्स के बीच में लाई कर रहा है? रूट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 एंड क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 में. तो आपने क्या करना है, टेबल में से क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 एंड क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 की वैल्यूज राइट डाउन करनी है. एज आई हैव रिटन द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2 वैल्यू फ्रॉम द टेबल, दैट इज 1.260, एंड क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 दैट इज वैल्यू इज 1.442. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिफरेंस ऑफ बोथ. रूट 3 क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3 माइनस क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2, it will be 1.442 minus 1.260. So answer is 0.182. Subtract करके आपका आंसर आएगा 0.182. डिफरेंस फॉर 0.69. अब ये 1 के लिए डिफरेंस था, हमारा डिफरेंस कितना है 0.69 का. तो 0.69 के डिफरेंस के लिए क्या होगा, जो वैल्यू 1 की आई है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे 0.69 से, और मल्टीप्लाई करके आपका आंसर आएगा 0.12558. So at last you will add these both the values. Cube root of 2.69 is equals to value of cube root 2 plus value of cube root 0.69. So add these both the numbers and you will get answer 1.38558. And now you have to give answer up to 2 correct decimal places. Then answer will be 1.39. Round off this digit 5. Add 1 in the next letter. The answer will be 1.39. This is all about the cube roots, estimation of the cube roots and the square roots.